Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front eRide air struts for Mercedes-Benz S-Class W222 and Maybach W222 without 4MATIC and excluding AMG. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the removal process by raising the vehicle at the lifting points prescribed by the manufacturer. Then remove the applicable engine bay trim to gain access to the top strut mount. Slowly disconnect the airline fitting from the top of the strut. Now, remove the used airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Then remove the applicable front wheel. Disconnect the two electrical connectors from the strut. Now, unroute the lines and disconnect the strut wire harness from the lower mount of the strut. Continue by removing the lower strut bolt and nut and the three top mount nuts. To complete the removal process, remove the strut from the vehicle. Before starting the installation, remove the shipping plug from the check valve and install the Voss fitting from the provided accessory kit onto the Arnott air strut. Remove the shipping pin from the Voss fitting. Now install the strut in the vehicle. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Reconnect the spindle to install the bolt and nut. Continue by installing the lower strut bolt and nut and the three top mount nuts provided in the kit. Connect the two electrical connectors to the new strut solenoid. Now reinstall the strut wire harness using the provided zip tie and reroute the lines. Push the airline into the air fitting on the top of the strut until it is fully seated. Now finish the installation by reinstalling the applicable engine bay trim. Then reinstall the applicable front wheel and inflate the air strut per the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Now lower the vehicle and you have completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class W222 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.